morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day to my fellow veterans. Last night, I prepared Thai spiced chicken meatballs in a coconut curry. Robin took 2 bites. This is no joke. She's indicating that yes, she's here. She has today off. She's waving. In 2 bites, she's like, yes, this is on the redo list. It's very good. It's very complex. It's got some complex flavors to it. I used a Thai red chili powder instead of the cayenne they call out. It had perfect heat. It's not obnoxious. I would definitely get this posted up. It is very good. As you can see, I'm wearing a white chef's jacket, which usually means one thing. I'm baking. Well, technically, it's not baking. I am doing, according to the recipe thingy, easy no-bake cheesecake. Like I said, no baking. It's the kind of baking I can do. Then, for dinner, I'm not sure which one of us is making this, but we're doing it. It's actually called the rotisserie chicken mushroom soup. This caught my eye. It really did. We tend to not use rotisserie chickens, and I'll show you why. I'll show you our substitute in a few seconds. Again, I will get the Thai dish up in the group. I slept in today, and so did Robin. So that's why this video is coming later. All right. Good old Dutch oven. Boy, I use the heck out of those. Probably going to do some rolls or some crescent rolls to go with dinner later on. Like I said, we don't use rotisserie chickens. They are actually too expensive. So we tend to go to the canned chicken. Rayleigh's brand is fairly reasonably priced. It's actually very reasonably priced, and it's white meat, and it's a great substitute for rotisserie chickens. So for the rest of the recipe, there's a little bit of oil, chicken stock. Of course, there's mushrooms. I'm using baby bellas. There's white onion. It calls out for white. Some heavy cream. Little bit of splash or two of lemon. Some celery. Garlic. Got to have some garlic. Kosher salt, black pepper, some dried thyme, and a couple cups of baby spinach. So there's the soup fixins. Pretty simple. The no-bake cheesecake, 3 8-ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, some powdered sugar, some heavy whipping cream, of course, good old Mexican vanilla in this kitchen, and we've gone through a couple different iterations of the crust. The recipe calls for an Oreo crust, but we were trying to substitute it to have some fun with Teddy Grahams. Yeah, the little bears, the chocolate ones. Bel Air was out of them. But it would have been fun to pulverize, I know, call me mean, pulverize a bunch of little teddy bears in a food processor. Robin had the same evil look I did. Don't look at this over there. Oh, Robin wanted the snack on them. Liar. So we went with the Keebler chocolate, whatever. So that's what we got. And unfortunately, this one's cracked pretty bad, but I don't know. We'll eat it anyway. And I got a couple of things of hardware over here. Got a hand mixer and a couple bowls, of course, blah, blah, blah. So that's what we're doing on Veterans Day. I'm sure there's a nap involved for at least one of us today, if not both. So yeah, happy Veterans Day. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.